Did you know a con man once sold the Eiffel Tower twice in the same year? Meet Victor Lustig, the most daring scammer in history. In 1925 Paris, he read a newspaper story about the Eiffel Tower needing expensive repairs. That's when he got his brilliant idea. Lustig created fake government documents claiming the tower would be torn down and sold for scrap metal. He rented an office and invited 6 businessmen to submit secret bids. But here's the genius part. He targeted the most nervous bidder, making him feel special and chosen. The mark paid $70,000 up front. Lustig vanished with the cash. 1 month later, he returned and pulled the exact same con on different victims. It worked again. But selling the Eiffel Tower was just the beginning. Lustig counterfeited $100 bills so perfectly that Secret Service agents couldn't tell they were fake. He even tricked Al Capone with his famous money box scam. Eventually, the law caught up with him. But Victor Lustig earned his legendary nickname, the man who sold the Eiffel Tower.